responsibility. Some people will influence you into breaking up with your partner.
You were not always like this. Somebody gave you the opportunity.
Hey guys, welcome back to Thelma Says. On today's episode, I am saying to you that we agree that money is important in your relationship, but there are things that money cannot replace. It is important that you know that there is a place for money and there's a place for a lot of other things. Some of the things that money cannot replace in your relationship is apologies. Apologize to your partner when you are wrong. Some of you, just to apologize is like work, it's hard work for you. You need to learn to say, I am sorry. It will take nothing away from you. When you are wrong, apologize. When you have done something, sometimes you didn't mean to do it that way. You didn't intend for things to happen the way they did. Apologize. It will solve a lot of problems. It will take away a lot of arguments and a lot of pain. Apologize to your partner when you have to. Talk to your partner when you have to. Another thing money cannot replace in your relationship is acts of service. You cannot make money do things for you. When you're around your partner, help. As a man, when you're with your partner, do the things that a man should do. Money will not start generator. Money will not come and carry something on top of the shelf. Money will not help them iron. There are little things that you should do. Acts of service. Money cannot replace this thing. I know that you can pay somebody to do these things for your partner, but it is even better when these things are done by you. It makes your partner believe that you love them. It makes them believe that you would go the extra mile for them. Do these things. Don't replace money. Don't replace basic things in your relationship with money. You will be finding trouble for yourself. All right? Thank you. See you on the next episode of Thelma Says. Like, share, comment on this video. Bye-bye.